In a world where energy consumption continues to rise, the search for sustainable, cost-effective solutions is more urgent than ever. Imagine a future where our homes are not just consumers of energy but also producers. Today, we delve into 5 groundbreaking yet underutilized technologies that hold the potential to transform how we power our digital lives. It's not common solar system, hydropowers nor nuclear reactors. Get ready to explore the mechanics behind these innovations and their real-world applications that are often overlooked. Piezoelectric generators, harnessing everyday movement and how it works. Piezoelectric materials generate electricity when subjected to mechanical stress. These materials, such as certain ceramics and crystals, are capable of converting vibrations and pressure into electrical energy. Imagine flooring in high-traffic areas, like shopping malls or train stations, embedded with piezoelectric tiles. Each step taken converts mechanical energy into electrical power. This energy can be used to power LED lights or charge batteries for mobile devices, making it an ideal solution for cities looking to utilize foot traffic for energy. The amount of energy generated is directly related to the pressure applied. However, advancements in material science are paving the way for more efficient designs that can maximize energy output, making this technology more viable for everyday use. Solar paint, revolutionizing energy production and how it works. Solar paint incorporates photovoltaic materials, such as titanium dioxide and perovskite, which can absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. This paint can be applied to any surface, transforming roofs, walls, and even fences into power-generating installations. Imagine painting your home's exterior with solar paint. On a sunny day, the walls of your house could generate enough electricity to power appliances, charge electric vehicles, or feed energy back into the grid. While this technology is still in the experimental phase, ongoing research and development aim to improve efficiency and durability. The prospect of integrating energy generation seamlessly into everyday structures is a tantalizing glimpse into a sustainable future. Kinetic Energy Harvesters, powering devices through motion and how it works. Kinetic energy harvesters convert motion, whether from walking, running, or mechanical movement, into electrical energy. These devices typically use electromagnetic induction or triboelectric effects to capture energy. Consider a backpack fitted with a kinetic energy harvester that charges your smartphone as you walk. The movement of the backpack creates energy, allowing you to stay connected without draining your device's battery. The efficiency of energy conversion can vary based on the type and frequency of movement. However, new designs are emerging that maximize energy capture, enabling broader applications in everyday life, from wearables to smart home devices. Microbial fuel cells, nature's power plant. How it works. Microbial fuel cells, MFCs, leverage bacteria to convert organic matter into electricity. In these cells, microbes metabolize organic substances and produce electrons as a byproduct, which can be harnessed to generate electrical power. Imagine using kitchen waste to power your home. An MFC can be installed in your kitchen or garden to break down organic waste, producing electricity to power lights or small appliances while reducing landfill contributions. While still emerging, MFC technology faces challenges such as scalability and efficiency. However, researchers are developing more robust microbial strains and optimizing designs to enhance performance, making this an exciting area of exploration. Thermoelectric generators, tapping into temperature differences. How it works. Thermoelectric generators, TEGs, convert temperature gradients into electricity. They work based on the Seebeck effect, where a difference in temperature between two materials generates an electric voltage. TEGs can be used in homes to capture waste heat from appliances like stoves or heaters. This technology can convert heat into electricity, which can be used to power small devices or recharge batteries. The efficiency of TEGs is generally low, but innovations in materials, such as nanostructured thermoelectrics, are enhancing their capabilities. This means that homes could soon be equipped with TEG systems that effectively utilize existing heat sources for energy production. As we explore these uncommon yet revolutionary methods of generating free electric energy, it becomes evident that the potential for sustainable living is within reach. By integrating these technologies into our homes, we can not only reduce our carbon footprint but also take control of our energy consumption. The journey toward harnessing these innovative solutions is not without challenges, but the relentless pursuit of knowledge and advancement in technology offers a promising horizon. The question remains, will we seize the opportunity to transform our energy landscape, or will we continue to rely on conventional methods that drain our planet's resources? Join us in embracing the future of energy. Subscribe your free plan now.